Hi Internet family, I'm holding an event in San Francisco on July 28th for women. I often hold events and I update my Instagrams and my Facebooks about them, but often I don't come over here to YouTube and do it just because it takes that little extra bit of chi and I'm often too busy. But part of me doing my growth and getting people what they want, which is tell us when you're doing something, is doing this. So, Goddess Workshop, San Francisco, July 28th, 9 a.m. to noon. Going to be in a beautiful place outside, one of my favorite spots in San Francisco. I'm not telling you where, you'll know if you sign up. And registration will be open until a few days before the workshop. However, if you get it before the date below in the info section for this video, you'll get half off. I like this idea. I like the whole early bird thing. I think that it's nice, and I think that it rewards those of you who stay current on what I'm doing. And I really appreciate you guys. I feel all your love, and I really am excited to connect with more of you. I've been in San Francisco a little bit, but I haven't had an event there in a good long while. And one of the things about these events is often goddesses, tender-hearted, intuitive women who we're strong, but we're also sensitive and vulnerable. We feel so alone, especially if you're the only kind of witchy, magical one around you. You can feel really alone, but the truth is we are everywhere. We're everywhere. We're just sensitive, so we hang out in our houses. We don't go out and about very much. We hang out with our plants and our crystals and our pets and whatever. So if you feel alone, if you're tired of always being the healer, it's nice to be a healer, but sometimes maybe you want to be healed. Sometimes maybe you don't want to be the one with the answers. This is the place to come, because what happens every single time at one of these events is that I see how incredible people are, and we all have these amazing superpowers, and we come together and just look in each other's eyes and chat and make flower crowns and hang out and give each other reflections and talk about what we're manifesting and what we're good at and what we're struggling with. It's so empowering and it's so heart healing. And over the years, I've seen people throughout the years at different workshops, and seeing what happens as we blossom, because we know we're not alone, because we connect to this golden grid of support and energy that I will take you through a guided meditation for in this workshop. It's really nice, and it just helps us to feel more centered. It helps us to feel more supported. It helps us to maybe not always have to be the one holding everybody else up, which is great, but sometimes it's a little much. It's nice to know that you're not the only one, and in a big city like San Francisco, it's really nice to know that you're not the only one. Even if you don't see each other again, just being able to know that there's more than you there is lovely. And also bringing your gifts and power to this thing is going to be lovely. And the place that we're meeting, it was a dream come true the first time I went there. Just let me tell you, it's going to be outside. And like I said, it's going to be from 9 a.m. to noon on July 28th, which is the day after the full moon. I believe the full moon's on the 27th, so the energy is going to be high. We're going to do a little manifestation. Like I said, we're going to make flower crowns, fun project. And we're going to give each other reflection, and we're going to connect, and it's going to be great. So if you want to come, you can register until the date below, and the early bird discount, which is half off of registration, is also below. So I'm excited to see you guys there, and I can't wait to meet some of you I haven't met before, and I can't wait to see some of you I have met before. San Francisco is such a big, gorgeous city that I can't wait to come and play there a little bit and hang out with you. So sending you guys lots of love from LA right now, which is where I am, and there are always new things going on. So if you go check my website, which is also where you can sign up for this workshop, you'll see some new classes and stuff that I'm teaching, which is always fun. It's fun to connect virtually, but it's really fun to connect in person, and I can't wait to see you ladies. Have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Sending you lots of love, sending you Reiki, sending you encouragement, reminding you that you're not alone, that we're all holding this down together. There are more of us than you might think. There are a lot of people still in the spiritual closet, and if you are in the spiritual closet, then come, because it's kind of nice to just be who you really are without having to worry about being the weird one from time to time. So lots of love to you. Have a beautiful, beautiful day, and maybe I'll see you on the 28th in a beautiful spot in San Francisco.